Looking for a sewing machine that makes clothing projects easier and more professional? Best Sewing Machine for Clothes offers the perfect balance of stitch variety, reliability, and ease of use for beginners and experienced sewists alike, helping create beautiful garments with confidence. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Brother XM2701 Lightweight Sewing Machine. The Brother XM2701 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and beginner-friendly sewing machine. Designed with simplicity and versatility in mind, it comes with 27 built-in stitches that cover everything from basic repairs to decorative sewing projects. The machine includes useful stitch options such as zigzag, blind hem, stretch stitches, and an automatic buttonhole feature, making it suitable for a variety of fabrics and tasks. One of its most convenient features is the automatic needle threader, which saves time and reduces frustration when setting up the machine. The jam-resistant drop-in taut bobbin system helps maintain smooth operation and keeps threading simple. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move and store, while the free arm allows users to sew cuffs, sleeves, and other hard-to-reach areas with ease. The included accessories, such as multiple sewing feet, needles, and bobbins, add extra value. Whether you are learning to sew or working on everyday projects, the Brother XM2701 offers dependable performance, practical features at an affordable price. Number 2. Singer 4423 Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. The Singer 4423 Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine is built for speed, strength, and durability, making it a great option for users who regularly work with thick fabrics and demanding sewing projects. Equipped with 23 built-in stitches and 97 stitch applications, it provides the flexibility needed for garment construction, home decor, repairs, and decorative sewing. Its powerful motor delivers enhanced piercing power, allowing the machine to handle denim, canvas, upholstery fabric, and multiple fabric layers with ease. One of the standout features is its impressive sewing speed of up to 1,100 stitches per minute, helping users complete projects much faster than standard machines. The built-in automatic needle threader simplifies setup and reduces eye strain, while the heavy-duty metal frame ensures stability during operation. The stainless steel bed plate helps fabric glide smoothly across the machine for consistent results. Whether you're an experienced sewer or someone ready to tackle more advanced projects, the Singer 4423.
Number 3. Brother XR3774 Sewing Machine. The Brother XR3774 is a versatile sewing and quilting machine that combines user-friendly operation with features designed to support a wide range of creative projects. With 37 built-in stitches, including decorative, quilting, stretch, and blind hem stitches, it offers plenty of options for both practical sewing and artistic work. The one-step buttonhole function helps create professional-looking buttonholes with minimal effort, making garment construction easier. Its automatic needle threader quickly guides thread through the needle, reducing setup time and helping beginners get started faster. The jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin system provides smooth and reliable stitching while allowing users to monitor thread supply easily. A major advantage of the XR3774 is its quilting capability, supported by the included wide table and multiple specialty sewing feet. The free arm design also makes sewing sleeves, pant lengths, and cuffs more convenient. Suitable for beginners and experienced users alike, this machine delivers consistent performance across many fabric types. For sewing enthusiasts interested in both quilting and everyday projects, the XR3774 offers excellent value and versatility. Number 4. Brother HC1850 Sewing Machine. The Brother HC1850 is a feature-rich sewing and quilting machine designed for users who want creative flexibility and advanced functionality. With an impressive collection of 185 built-in stitches, including decorative patterns, utility stitches, quilting options, and alphanumeric characters, it provides countless possibilities for customization and design. The machine includes 8 styles of automatic buttonholes, making garment sewing easier and more professional. Its advanced needle threading system simplifies setup by threading the needle with the push of a lever, while the jam-resistant drop-in bobbin helps maintain smooth, uninterrupted sewing. Included accessories such as a wide table and multiple sewing feet expand its capabilities for quilting and larger projects. Despite its extensive features, the HC1850 remains approachable for beginners while offering enough advanced options to satisfy experienced sewists. Whether you're creating quilts, personalized crafts, clothing, or home decor items, this machine provides reliable performance, excellent stitch variety, and a highly enjoyable sewing experience.
Number 5. Brother CS6000i Sewing Machine. The Brother CS6000i is a popular computerized sewing machine known for its balance of convenience, versatility, and value. Featuring 60 built-in stitches, including decorative designs, and 7 styles of automatic buttonholes, it provides a wide selection of options for sewing garments, crafts. An automatic needle threader helps reduce setup time, and the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin system ensures smooth operation throughout projects. The machine includes a generous assortment of accessories, including a hard protective case, wide table, multiple sewing feet, needles, and bobbins, making it ready for a variety of tasks right out of the box. Its lightweight construction makes transportation easy without sacrificing functionality. The wide table is especially useful for quilting and larger fabric pieces, providing additional workspace and support. Suitable for beginners and intermediate users alike, the Brother CS6000i delivers dependable performance, easy operation, and enough features to support growing sewing skills. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.